So what you'll need to make the slime is a container to make the slime in, flour, something to stir it with, shampoo, and a container to put your slime in. So first you want to add your flour in, and then you're going to add your shampoo. Don't add too much straight away. And then you can start stirring. So for me, some of the flour started to clump up because it's starting to make slime. Now I will just add more shampoo. And this can get a bit messy, trust me. Mine is already starting to get slime consistency. So when you think it's starting to get ready, I'll just take these off. You can start touching it with your hands. And if it's a bit sticky still, you can still take it to your hands and play with it. So I just added paper, as you can see. And now I'm just taking out of the camera the slime, putting it here, and getting all the things that I'll be needing. There's still some clumps of slime in here. Okay, now I'll start mixing it with my hands. And it can still be a bit sticky, as you can see. Because when you're playing with real slime, none of it can stick to your hands. And remember, just have some extra flour close to you for if it's too sticky. Okay. So I made quite a lot because I really like slime. As you can see, it's still sticking to me. So I'll be adding just all my extra flour here. And now I'll just play with it with the extra flour. I'm just doing this that I can get the extra flour to make it non-sticky. So just think of it like you're making bread, because you're adding just more flour to it. But don't add too much, because then it can get all not slimy and just like doughy. And just play with it until you can see that it doesn't stick to your hands. So I've been playing with it for a long time now, and as you can see, there's not much left on my hands because it's not sticking anymore. And it's really fun to play with. You can mold it and all that kind of stuff. You can stretch it, but it's not exactly as stretchy as some slime they make with glue. And I think it's a really nice slime. Bye, and thanks for watching me make slime.